Hey, so for today's video, I am going to be testing out and giving you my first impression of this Flawless Finish e.l.f. foundation, so keep on watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to test out this e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. First time ever using it. I've seen a lot of people use it in their videos, so I wanted to try it out. So this is my first impression of this. Here we go. So it says it's an oil-free foundation. So if you have oily skin, I guess, then this stuff is for you. I picked it up at Target for $6. I actually got another one by e.l.f. and I'm going to do a first impression on that one too, and it's for acne. I don't know if this one is, but I've seen people mix the acne one with this one. So what I was going to tell you, each makeup product, I've said this before, each makeup product comes with a number, and this one is 83118. So I don't know if you can see that. Hasn't been open. I think this is a beige color. I might end up mixing it with my LA. I think this one is Ivory. Truly Madly Long Lasting High Pigment foundation, but I don't know yet. I already put my makeup primer on my face and my concealer. The concealer is Moana, and the primer I used today was the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Glow. So here we go. I haven't even opened it up. I don't even know if it comes with a thing. I don't even know how to open it up. It's really tight on there. So, I don't know how it comes off. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back and try to get it off for you guys. Okay, silly me, it says right on the back, peel to open. So, I am going to peel this little tab right here. Peel it off. There we go. And see if it comes off. Oh, you just pop it off like this. Instead of pulling it off, comes with this little squirt thing. So I'm going to use my foundation flat top brush by Saucony Cash. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit, squirt it on there, and nothing is coming. Oh, there we go. Nothing is coming out. So I just squirted a little bit on there. I'm going to put it on my cheek. This almost looks like the right one, and I'm just going to pat it into my skin to give it an airbrush look. So it said on the thing, and I have seen people do it before, add layers to it. This is like right on my skin tone. I am having a hard time with this video today. So if you like this, give this video a thumbs up, because I am having such a hard time. So I think I'm gonna have to add a little bit more to my skin, and I don't even have to mix these two together. This is perfectly for my skin tone. So I am going to add more. Here we go. So I'm just gonna pat it in again to make layers. Like I said, this one I picked up at Target for $6, and it's pretty much $6 I think anywhere. So, oh, I got it in my hair. I'm just having a great old day. Now, look at how perfect that is. I'll do a before and after picture, but like, it's right on my skin tone. Like, evenly. Like, I am amazed at this foundation, and I think I'll end up buying it again. So I am going to finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, oil-free. This stuff is amazing. Like, I've watched people do it and they've had to add layers, and it says it on the back, and I'll insert pictures of before and after my face. But as you can tell, I only had to use like 2 squirts of this, which is amazing because sometimes I have to use more foundation and it just looks cakey on me, and I don't know if you can tell, but it doesn't look cakey at all. Like I said, I picked this up at Target for $6, and I think the color is beige, but the number is 83111 So that is the number if you have skin tone like me. I do have vitiligo, so my skin used to be a lot darker, as you can tell, but I have vitiligo, so it doesn't get pigment in some places, even on my face. So I totally recommend this product. I love e.l.f. products. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm not sponsored by Target. I'm not sponsored by e.l.f. I am just doing this on my own, so I highly recommend that you go pick it up at your local Target for $6 because it is amazing. It's my first time using it, first time impression, and my first time impression was amazing. I think I'm going to switch to this e.l.f. product. So if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment box down below, or if you just want to comment on this video, because I had some outtakes, but I just went with it. And yeah, it was a lot of fun to do this video. Please give us a thumbs up on this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching.